Successful investment is managing risks, not avoiding it. Ready to make your money work smarter in 2025? Today, we're diving into 11 stocks that are not just trending, but are primed to shape the future. From tech giants like Nvidia and Microsoft to renewable leaders like NextEra Energy, these companies could redefine your portfolio. Let's find out why. Number 1. NVIDIA. Being a leader in AI technology, NVIDIA's graphics processing units, GPUs, are essential for AI applications, data centers, and gaming. Its innovations in AI and partnerships with tech companies position it for continued growth. Predicted growth. NVIDIA is expected to continue benefiting from its dominance in AI, gaming, and data centers. With strong fundamentals, analysts predict a rise to $200 to $225 in 2025, marking a 15 to 25% increase from late 2024 values. Number 2. Microsoft, MSFT. Microsoft's robust position in cloud computing through Azure and its integration of AI features into products like Office enhances its growth potential. The company's forward P/E ratio remains competitive, and its revenue growth is supported by strong cloud adoption trends. For these reasons, analysts view it as a stable long-term investment. Predicted growth. Driven by its cloud computing and AI initiatives, Microsoft stock could see a 10 to 15% rise in 2025. Azure's growth and integrations of AI into Office products will likely be key contributors. Number 3. Meta Platforms, Meta. Meta's strategic focus on AI, particularly in advertising and user engagement through platforms like Facebook and Instagram, positions it for sustained growth. However, challenges like regulatory pressures and high R&D spending for AI and AR/VR remain. Analysts are optimistic but cautious, with a moderate upside predicted. Predicted growth. Investments in AI and social media engagement tools position Meta for a 12 to 18% increase. Its focus on enhancing user engagement through AI-driven features such as Reels and generative AI will help maintain competitive momentum. Number 4. Micron Technology, MU. Micron faces cyclical challenges but is well positioned in the memory and storage market. Its investments in AI-compatible memory chips could drive demand as AI adoption grows. Predicted growth. Memory demand recovery and strategic investments in new technologies may lead to a 20 to 30% potential rise by 2025 as industry cyclicality plays out. However, geopolitical tensions and competition remain risks. Number 5. JD.com, JD. JD.com has faced challenges from slowing e-commerce growth in China, but its logistics and retail innovation offer potential. Analysts recommend monitoring China's economic recovery and JD's cost efficiency measures. Predicted growth. JD faces headwinds from China's macroeconomic challenges but may rebound with a 5 to 10% growth driven by e-commerce recovery and investments in logistics. Number 6. Moderna, mRNA. While COVID-19 vaccine revenues have decreased, Moderna's pipeline for mRNA-based treatments and vaccines in oncology and rare diseases is a long-term growth driver. Near-term revenue might be volatile as the company transitions away from pandemic-driven sales. Predicted growth. The development of new mRNA-based therapies could lead to a 15 to 20% increase in 2025. Pipeline progress and diversification beyond COVID-19 vaccines are key drivers. Number 7. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon's strength in e-commerce and cloud computing, AWS, continues to drive growth. Its foray into AI services enhances its competitive edge, with strong long-term potential in these markets. Predicted growth. Amazon's expansion in cloud computing, AWS, retail, and advertising positions it for a 10 to 15% rise in 2025, supported by its robust e-commerce infrastructure. Number 8. MasterCard, MA. MasterCard benefits from increasing global digital payment adoption. Innovations in fintech and cross-border transactions are expected to contribute to steady growth. Predicted growth. With the global shift to digital payments, MasterCard stock could grow 8 to 12%, benefiting from increased transaction volumes and partnerships. Number 9. CrowdStrike, CRWD. CrowdStrike's leadership in cybersecurity and its expanding AI-driven product suite position it for growth. Revenue projections reflect strong demand, especially with increased cybersecurity concern. Predicted growth. Strong cybersecurity demand may push CrowdStrike's stock up 20 to 30% in 2025, supported by recurring revenue and innovation in threat detection. Number 10. NextEra Energy, NE. NextEra's focus on renewable energy aligns with global green energy trends. While regulatory and market risks exist, its clean energy investments are expected to yield solid long-term returns. Predicted growth. Investments in renewable energy projects position NE for 8 to 15% growth. The push for green energy policies adds further tailwinds. Number 11. Netflix, NFLX. Netflix's strategy to diversify revenue through ad-supported tiers and password-sharing controls has boosted revenue. Its international market penetration and original content are key growth drivers. Predicted growth. Content expansion, ad-supported tiers, and improved engagement could result in a 10 to 15% rise as Netflix consolidates its streaming leadership. These projections assume favorable market conditions and are influenced by specific growth strategies, sector trends, and macroeconomic factors. If you make this far, you are top 10% of people who actually finished what they started, and it proves that you are an ambitious individual. Investing is all about staying ahead of the curve. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone looking to grow their portfolio in 2025. And don't forget, more expert picks are just one subscription away. See you next time, proud investor.